A smooth Umrah journey begins with preparation. Keep your documents organized and ready at every step. Travel light so you can move with ease and avoid unnecessary stress. Keep your essentials close, secure, and easy to access. Stay hydrated. Your energy is essential for every step. Avoid crowded areas when possible to maintain focus. Move with patience, not urgency. Take breaks when your body needs it. Consistency will always take you further than rushing. Stay aware of your surroundings and follow guidance. Let your journey be calm and intentional. Balance your movement with moments of reflection. Keep things simple. Simplicity brings clarity. These 5 small habits can completely transform your Umrah experience. From stress to peace, from confusion to clarity, and from routine to a deeply meaningful journey. From confusion to clarity. And from routine to a deeply meaningful journey.